Hello everyone, I'm Kyle with Roland rAVe. We are here at InfoComm 2026 where we are showcasing our new 4K flagship. So starting off with our first of these series, this is the V-1-4K. It's an all HDMI switcher in 4K, but it also has the ability to scale, so you can send it any resolution, any frame rate, up to 4K 60. And also this is our processor to the V1 HD Plus that got released back in 2021. So with this, you have 3 camera inputs in here, but one of the new features that we wanted to add in here is the ability for region of interest. So going into here, you can see that we have a wide shot of our panel speakers. When you turn on ROI off of these 3 inputs, it gives you on HDMI input 1, it gives you 4 cross points now. So now off those 3 inputs, I have 6 inputs to choose from, where I can choose from my wide, and then I have 3 different cross points on my 3 panelists that I can switch between, plus my 2 other cameras, giving you many more abilities for your video production. You can have 1 camera, but sell 4, giving you a lot more flexibility with your video productions. So for more information on that, feel free to go to our website at rAVe.roland.com.